I don't even want to know.
I had chips. It's baked. पिछले आधे घंटे से तू खाना खा रहा है हम लोग के सामने, तो हम लोग भी खाएंगे ना.
Just see what Kautuk is eating, dude.
वो तेरा दिमाग खा रहा है.
Baba, this is not pizza. This is Szechuan hakada dosa.
You know what a world we live in. Kautuk has to show that, and this is not pizza. Yeah, we know it's not pizza.
Like वो पेपर पिज्जा बहुत होने लग गया ना आजकल. Like how thin can the pizza be?
Baba's going to leave right now.
Hey Baba, I was seeing Ugly Delicious और उस पे नोमा आया था और नोमा में पता है वो क्या कर रहा था? He was frying leaves. I'm not even kidding. He was frying leaves and he's like, you have to get the leaves with the right, with the right, they have to be the right texture and then you have to put them on the. तो leaves को fry कर रहा है dude. क्या नोमा करता रहता है?
हाँ, deep fry leaves.
अबे वो तो वो हो गया ना, क्या मराठी लोग क्या खाते हैं? मराठी लोग क्या खाते हैं? फोड़नी नहीं रे, वो जो लीफ अबे राउंड होता है मस्त. शिट मैं ही भूल गया क्या बोलते हैं उसको.
पत्रेल type. I know what it is.
बाकरवाड़ी.
Yeah.
नहीं रे
बाकरवाड़ी लीफ नहीं होता है.
The Parsis call it पत्रेल.
आलू वड़ी. और वो आलू नहीं, वो आलू वड़ी है. आलू वड़ी उसमें
because it's aloe vera. चलो.
Yuck.
It's not.
Yuck. Good. यही है cold open अभी.
Because it's aloe vera. तू एलोवेरा तल के खा रहा है अभी. कौतुक के पिज्जा पे तू थकता है, अभी सडनली एलोवेरा फ्राई करके खा रहा है बाबा.
मैं वो भी
good for your skin. It's good for your skin.
Okay, चल. Fuck. ये रैबिट होल है. Ready?
Yes.
पानी पी लेता हूँ.
Wow, waste more time.
पैसे खा ले, कुछ मीठा हो जाए शेक. थोड़ा मस्त 2 मिनट सोते. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set So, a show where we take random things, shocking, weird, obsessive, fast, history, and opposite stories, and we talk about it. And today's episode is on Mafia. Mafia, guys.
Yes.
हम लोग का कोल्ड ओपन देख के कोई लगेगा नहीं कि हम लोग कोई भी माफिया में बिलोंग कर सकते हैं.
हम लोग बिलोंग कर सकते हैं. कचरा खाना माफिया.
Yeah, man.
उसके मेन दो, उसका बॉस होगा कौतुक, मैं राइट हैंड.
and our whole racket is based on the fact that if you have good taste, तेरा टाइम आ गया दोस्त.
तेरी सुपारी ले रहे हम लोग.
सुपारी खाता भी है.
But I don't know, it'd be some dirty supari. It's just old. Yeah. It's not.
Adar, what is a nice supari? Please.
My grandmother has taught me that fresh supari is. She's a connoisseur of supari. She has donated all her teeth to supari. Over the years.
She cuts her own tobacco and all that. What?
Oh yeah, dude. She cuts it. She had I remember my grandmother. We all have those things, right? With your grandmother, I can't remember her without the supari pouch. There was a separate pouch which was, you think that it's so cool when
which is like the hash ka dabba.
Yeah,
which has
like
all
one of those things. वो निकलता था, सुपारी निकलती थी, दादी का कटर आता था, दादी बैठी कट पान निकालती थी अलग से, then she used to spread her tuna on it. So it used to look like this thing.
अच्छा, नानी का पान का दुकान था किधर लेकिन?
but she would do fine slivers of the tobacco or like thick slivers of the tobacco.
look at Baba going medicine mark on supari.
No, because you can, no, like the thin slivers are like the sharpener का वो नहीं आता है वो.
You want the supari really like spiky so that it bleeds your gums.
Spiky,
it's not
thin. It's thin. It's wafer thin.
Also, you want it stuck between your teeth.
Like listening to other talk about it, no, I just realized कि like ये सब पहले के जमाने में because Netflix नहीं था ना, इतना टाइम था
ब्रो यही वो
Elaborate.
एक्टिविटी थी.
Yeah, इतना टाइम था. चल अभी 4 घंटे बस मैं सुपारी बनाती हूँ.
सुपारी बताओ ये तोड़ूंगी.
सेपरेट पाउच इज डैम कूल. मेरे दादी के पास भी सेपरेट पाउच है, लेकिन उसमें उनके डेंचर्स थे.
That usually follows the supari. That's
So
what
bad.
happens.
ओके सो माफिया, बाय द वे तुमको माफिया का एटिमोलॉजी पता है कि नहीं?
नहीं, what
Oh
is it?
no.
It
एक्चुअली
comes from the
सो
Greek word mafio.
I'm
Mafiokos.
no,
I'm assuming it's
actually
Italian.
from the it is Italian and largely Sicilian. So in Italian, it's the word is mafioso, which actually means bragging.
So much
It
cuter.
actually means that, but it can also have like other meaning like bravado or something like that. It was never supposed to be अरे gangster. वो उधर के फिर पुलिस ने बनाना शुरू किया. Where the term mafia became somebody who engages in robberies and all of that, or contracts other people to do it for him.
But dude, mafioso sounds so cute, no? It
Yeah.
is mafioso,
Yeah.
man. Mafioso. Oh, le.
Asida sick Rampuri है. वो तो cute था.
Rampuri.
In Italy, he's
Godfather
using
with
a
a
Rampuri.
Rampuri. I would love to see a Rampuri in
देख, देख.
Sicily.
रामपुरी है, ठीक है. तू इटली में हो, किधर भी हो, रामपुरी से जब कटता है तो मरता है भाई. ये है. बड़े बड़े.
Rampuri is an emotion, Baba.
Yeah.
या स्ट्रेट. जैसे अपने वो लास्ट कोई वो था ना एक डायनासोर जिसके मुंह में रामपुरी थी. गैलीले मुस. असली.
This is
By the way,
this
fun
is
fact, how many, there used to be a quiz, Bollywood quiz question, जिसमें how many times, which actor has played the role of a gangster the most number of times?
Who is
And
it?
how many times? So most number of times is easy, Sanjay Dutt, but how many times?
हाँ.
And that count was 47.
What?
Yeah, because
like, what?
you've forgotten like Atish and Vastav and like you
Hey,
like got all
Baba,
these-
I
How
have
can you
never
forget
forgotten.
Vastav?
I have never forgotten Vastav because when it
Yeah,
came out,
dude.
dude, every single person in my bus was like, "Arey,
Hey.
yaila re."
50 tola, 50 tola.
Abhi, Yailar is not Vastav.
That's not Vastav. Oh, okay.
No.
That's Jung.
Oh shit.
Oh,
I don't know
really?
what the fuck they did.
Yeah.
Or
With
as
Sunil
philosophy.
Shetty. Not
Or
Sunil
as
Shetty, with
philosophy.
Aditya Pancholi and somebody else. It was basically वो कौन सा Michael Keaton
What are
movie
you
है?
saying? Really? It wasn't
Arey,
Vastav?
bro, that's not even Jung. Aditya Pancholi and Sanjay Dutt is Atish.
That is also there.
Baba.
एक और.
Baba.
Let me.
Also, guys, sorry, I had a great joke, but you all ruined it. It is not Jung because philosophy students call it young. Silence.
रामपुरी है क्या तेरे पास?
Yeah.
इसके बाद बाबा के घर जा सकता है. रामपुरी.
नहीं 8 बज गया अभी तू नहीं आ सकता.
एक तो वापस आ गए अपन ब्रो जिधर थे. Literally.
Right now, we've reached a point where
Really?
even a mafia don cannot get out of his house at 8 o'clock.
नहीं माफिया डॉन क्या है? ये देख हम लोग फूड पॉइजनिंग कर दिया ना ठाकुर को हम लोग ने.
Fuck, he's dying, dude. He's dying.
But did
And
he
he's
die
dying
on
a
this
PCR
one?
test.
You know what? He's dying a Bollywood mother's death. You know, like that, like. अरे पानी पीना तू क्या? वो देख ऊपर पंखा को देख पंखे को. हाँ, I get it. अरे ऊपर पंखे को देख और पानी पी.
Mute है,
We know
mute
the
को,
cause. क्या आदमी है?
He's coughed his headphones out of his ears.
We know the cause, ठाकुर. You don't have to show the chips.
अबे उसपे मसाला मसाले का है वो.
Wow.
अरे तू पानी पी ना पानी. क्या आदमी
अबे
है
मैं
bro?
खांसते वक्त पानी नहीं
तेरा-
पी सकता. मैं एक टाइम पे एक ही चीज कर सकता हूँ.
तेरा कैमोमिल टी का है कैमोमिल टी.
गिरा दिया गलती से.
I'm surprised तेरा, like he dropped it and I was also expecting कि उसका laptop जाएगा, Yeti जाएगा, सब जाएगा.
मैं टेबल के वो साइड गिरा.
अच्छा, टेबल का वो सड़ा.
Anyway, coming back to the topic, which is mafia and not chips causing death.
Okay, so there was
Bro,
one
ये मेरा
Italian
बाल
Italian
क्या-
mafia
क्या
fact,
है ये?
which was that the Italian mafia is known to have generated approximately 20 billion in revenue, mostly through extortion and fraud.
Wow.
And a diligent workforce and a very good HR is one of the few reasons why mafia succeeds.
कौन सा ये
can
कौन
I-
सा जाम तारा चला के
Can I-
रखा है इन लोगों ने?
Can I just want to like sort of talk about not one of the first mafia thing, because obviously there were people in cahoots that sort of formed terrorizing communities and groups and little things everywhere. But there was a entire function, an organized crime group called, believe it or not, called Murder Incorporated.
Okay.
All right. Murder Incorporated.
What was their business?
I'll get to it. They were an organized crime group that was active from 1929 to 1941, and they sort of acted as like the enforcement arm of the Italian American mafia, the Jewish mob, and they were sort of closely connected to other thing. And the whole sort of thing of these gangsters was they were Murder Incorporated was believed to be responsible for between 400 and 1000 contract killings until it was exposed by its own thing from one of their own members. And
whistleblower mafia में
whistleblower mafia में उसका क्या हालत हुआ रहेगा सोच. And the whole purpose and what they tried to do is that they always tried to kill bad people. Like, for example, one of their biggest victims was somebody called Umberto Anastasia, right? He was an Italian
His name was Anastasia. Wow, you can't brush past that fact as if it didn't
yeah,
happen.
and say it casually like it's no biggie.
So he was Umberto Anastasia. He was an Italian mobster. He was a hitman and a crime boss. And he was sort of he was sort of the head of this conglomerate. Before that, there was another guy called Lepke, Louis Lepke. Lepke was his middle name.
Louis
Lepke. I'm sure it was pronounced differently. But yeah, so it was pretty like thing, and the whole thing was they were sort of like godfathers in that sense that they would only kill bad people. That's
lazy writing in Dexter.
Yeah, that was the gambit. That was the gambit under which they sort of justified a lot of their sort of crimes and stuff like that. But it was an entire organized, like you worked for Murder Incorporated. Like you got HR and pension and things like that from Murder Incorporated. It's just fucking spooky, dude.
But it's crazy to see how from south of Italy, you have something that is really focused only on one island, then slowly spreads. In fact, then goes transcontinental, comes to the US, and it's its own beast then. Like especially because like New Orleans used to be a big trading port for Italians. तो उसमें बहुत public आते थे और obviously Sicily से जितने लोग आए, not everybody from Sicily, but जो mafia उधर से आए, they started spreading, which is why you had the 5 big families, right, in the US.
Yeah.
And it's surprising. There was Chicago.
No. There was Colombo, Gambino.
Colombo Gambino. उतना ही मेरे को.
Colombo, Gambino, Bonanno, and that 2 more. In fact, do you know Bonanno.
और फिर लास्ट थे परवाने, मस्ताने और अनजाने.
So, by the way,
Mandavli Badshah in between.
By the way, do you know
the piece?
Do you know the funnest fact about the 5 families? Of the 5 families,
please tell.
3 families.
Fun fact.
No, funnest fact about it. Out of the 5 families, 3 families are currently still active in New York. And the 3 of those guys still have like family heads. They're heads of the family that sort of operate. And there's this whole thing of how the metro in New York was controlled, the subway in New York was controlled by mafia families. That's why it's like an L train, E train, F train, 1, 2, 3.
From extortion and murder to
No.
controlling metro.
Ticket. No, नहीं लिए तो मार देते.
No. It wasn't. It was controlling, not in that sense, right? Like they sort of ran it because it was transportation, it was revenue, it was all of that. So that was the front that they would sort of operate. Plus, if you really wanted to kill someone,
isn't there a better place? Like, Baba, what do you mean they ran the metro?
They were in charge, like, which is why the metro in New York, and this was a book that I was reading about like the history and stuff like that. So New York has many boroughs, right? So basically in loka adda tha itna, which is why for example the F train goes from point A to point B. It doesn't, and it takes this like twisted roundabout route to sort of go from point A to point B, or the L train or whatever. Like there's one train that just goes from 42nd Street to like whatever.
Listen, Bawa, you know something? If they were involved in making the construction faster, then
They
I
weren't.
don't give a shit. They should
weren't.
come here and make this.
They were.
Make our
Because-
metro.
मेरे
were-
घर के बाहर fucking 40 साल से वो मेट्रो चल रहा है और कुछ हो रहा भी नहीं है, dude. 4
Correct.
पिलर डालने में इतना टाइम कैसे लग सकता है, dude?
Correct.
We need a fucking mafia to fix this
So
shit.
they didn't build it. They didn't build it, but it was a great way to sort of, like mark your territory and be like Sailaru, Sailaru.
But that
Then
happens a
wasn't it
lot,
like the
especially
government
like
just like इनको कुछ काम दे दो यार, चल इन लोगों को कुछ करने दो.
No, it's also a great front. No.
yeah.
अच्छा.
It's always about the front because a lot of the other crime syndicates opened up during the prohibition. The minute
Yeah.
you have something that is being prohibited, that is a cesspool for opportunities for ये वाला public. ठीक है,
ये
अभी तो
वाला
दारू-
public.
हाँ,
हाँ.
भाई लोग, ठीक है, तू उधर दारू अलाउड नहीं है, इलीगल है, सबसे पहले कौन आएगा? यही पंटर लोग आएंगे ना.
It's
करने
the
के लिए.
same. It's the same business model as a certain wine fellow in the Bandra area, who used to deliver booze at 4 in the morning. And all.
दीपक. नहीं. Good. Let's
So
compare
apparently
Deepak Wings to.
this is a big myth about the mafia, that the mafia doesn't deal in drugs.
Just look at Adar
like-
right now. Doesn't he look like Sanjay Dutt? Like just the way he's sitting and the way he's sort of like he's, isn't
No,
he Sanjay Dutt?
नहीं, Bawa, you need
Adar, you fucked it.
you need
Adar, you
serious
fucked
trauma in your life, dude, to look like Sanjay Dutt.
Adar, you
अभी
fucked it.
श्रीदेवी लग रहा है तू.
हाँ.
तो
Sorry, Adar, bol.
So 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 there was a mobster turned government witness called Salvador. Called his name was Salvador Gravano, but he was called Sammy the Bull. which
Yeah,
is
yeah. They
great.
all
That
had
Some-
middle names, right?
wait,
That's what.
yeah.
That's the etymology of that dash is my middle name comes from this thing that has been attributed to you, like Lepke or Mad Hatter or whatever. These are
Scarface.
things- yeah, these are things that are like your name that is given to you. I forgot what it, not just an alias. It's like that's my middle name. That's really what.
okay,
you are.
I found an
So
article
yeah,
called
okay.
Huh.
So the people, like, there were like specific families that banned their members in Philadelphia from getting involved in narcotics. So the mob families actually were opposed to getting involved in in drug dealing, but it stemmed not from from a moral standpoint, but it stemmed from that who already had more money than they could count. It was tremendous legal jeopardy that came with narcotics. So they knew how to cut their losses because they had enough money. They didn't want to get involved in narcotics and have too much shit on their backs. So you're
But
understanding
that becomes your basic differentiation between a mafia family and a drug cartel, right?
Yeah.
So cartel becomes a completely different vibe than a mafia would. In fact, I'm surprised a lot of these whistleblowers show up because the mafia had this code of silence that they had amongst all the members called the Omerta.
Yeah.
Omerta,
Yeah.
which is like a strict code of loyalty. तो बहुत कम तेरे को पब्लिक दिखेंगे who will like come out and be like हाँ ये wrong था हमारे कंपनी में, क्योंकि या तो वो
Correct.
मार दिए जाएंगे या तो करेंगे ही नहीं. But
dude,
very-
Mario Puzo has done more for the mafia than mafia itself.
Correct.
yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Bro, the funny thing is now obviously we can't talk about mafia and not talk about Godfather, but Godfather ka one of the true stories was that when the film was getting made, right? So Joe Colombo, who was the head of the Colombo family, actually went and met the producer. And after that meeting, the word mafia was out of the entire film to a point where, because the depiction, you don't want mafia, the word, to be associated with things that are there, that they're shown to be doing, even if they do it. To a point where during civil rights movement, ये जो Joe Colombo है, he actually went and spoke about this specific fact that I don't wait, I'll tell you exactly. It's about the depiction of mafia in films or in pop culture to bring about a change in that, because he was very image conscious.
Yes.
The whole time you're just constantly saying कि अरे इन लोग मारते हैं, खून करते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं, you're more likely for the public to be against you.
Oh,
Wow.
like
तो
so
भाई
you're
अपने वो
telling me
image
the
अच्छा
people
चाहिए.
who are who are doing the extortion and the murder want a good public image.
But imagine like the censor.
No, but it's bad for
coming to
business, na,
you.
bro.
Yeah.
Rated M for
Rated
mafia.
M. By the way, there's a initiation ceremony that happens, which is quite so apparently it's very like John Wick. Like if you look at John Wick, it really deals with like Russian mafia. And like now that I'm seeing the actual initiation ceremony, because the FBI actually recorded one of the initiation ceremonies.
Wait, you have to kill what 100 people in one?
No,
pin
so
code?
it's very simple. You actually go there and your the trigger finger is pricked to the pin, and the blood is then wiped. The blood from that trigger finger is then wiped on a religious card depicting a saint who has passed away. And the card is then crumpled up in the initiate's hand and set on fire. And
In his hand.
while
It's set on fire in his hand.
It's set on fire. And while the inductee swears an oath to live and die for the particular crime family and pledging that he will burn just like the saint if he betrays anybody in the organization.
Yeah, but then like you can't send him on a mission because he's like, sorry sir, मेरा हाथ ऐसा जल गया है, तो मैं
जल
अभी
गया
कर
और
नहीं
मेरे
सकता हूँ.
trigger finger पे तुमने ऐसे पिन मार दिया so I can't even fire
But
a
you know,
gun.
every form of mafia has some of these very secret ceremonies, right? Whether it's the initiation ceremony or, like for example, the Yakuza, Japanese mafia, they have this one specific ceremony which involves in cutting your pinky.
Yeah.
Cutting it off.
Cutting it off as a form of an apology.
Wow.
Or to pledge even more allegiance than you did before. And the thing behind that is, if you don't have a full pinky, you're
then
not
people
able
will
to
know.
hold a samurai sword properly. That's where it comes from. तो उसका उंगली काट देते हैं.
No, also like अगर उंगली काटा है तो the other members of the mafia will know कि अच्छा this guy has fucked up big time somewhere.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like
Yeah,
it's like a very visible sign.
You can't be अरे प्रकाश क्या हुआ तेरी उंगली को? अरे नहीं वो दरवाजे के बीच में आ गया रे वो
बीच में आ
थोड़ा.
गया तो मैंने सोचा काट ही दो यार क्या खोदूं
Are you sure तू याकुजा को चुतिया नहीं बनाया कभी चीट नहीं किया? नहीं रे ये मेरी बीवी है ना उसने देखा नहीं दरवाजा बंद कर दिया.
हाँ क्रैप बैंडेज नहीं था घर पे स्प्रेन के लिए मैंने बोला काट ही दो. By the way, again something they've done in John Wick. John Wick cuts his pinky off in John Wick 3 because he betrays the covenant.
Okay, I just
No,
want to take
so
you guys
it's
through.
basically only cutting off the top portion of the left pinky.
I like how you
That's
said
really
only
what
Baba.
it is. No, and it's
The
so it's
rest
not
of the
the
stuff
entire
is
thing.
still there.
Yeah,
But
but it's also because it's in reference to the crimes or the mistakes that you have committed. So it's almost for that reason that you're doing it, because like the offenses that they have previously committed, and that's probably why they sort of, so it's like in Japan it's almost everything is that respectfully sort of done, right? So there is a real reason behind it before you actually join.
Okay, I want to take you guys
Yubitsume,
through.
it's called Yubitsume. Yubitsume. It's a specific ceremony where they actually cut down on a small clean cloth because you don't want to get bacteria when you're cutting off your finger for the Yakuza.
Okay,
सच बात है.
okay. I want to take you guys through the 25 best mafia nicknames according to mafiahitters.com. And
Your neighborhood mafia aggregator website.
so just guess what why they've gotten these nicknames. Okay, so this is at number 24 is Jake Greasy Thumb Guzik. Why do you think he's called Greasy Thumb?
Because
क्योंकि वो गोली मार उसका कभी शॉट लगता नहीं है.
no he was great
वो
with,
पैसा
like,
लेता है.
Knife.
pickpocketing.
He was a knife guy.
No.
Pickpocketing.
I think Thakur is closer.
Yeah.
He
पैसा
would, he would grease people. So grease people's palms. So he would pay off to receive legal breathing room for the Chicago outfit. Then you have Thomas the Toupee Bellotti. This is pretty on the nose. Yeah, that's pretty on the nose.
No, on the head.
On the head.
On the head.
Then you have okay, this is great. Kevin 2 weeks.
He's too weak, and his surname is Weeks.
No.
weeks.
Oh, because
He'll take 2 weeks to do a job you give him 1 week for.
because he has to give, because he was a recovery agent and he would give them 2 weeks notice.
That's a very interesting hypothesis, but the real reason was Weeks was only in jail for 2 weeks before folding to the FBI.
Oh, really?
What?
Yeah, that's why.
So he has to live his entire life as a guy who snitched.
Yeah.
Yeah.
उसको rag कर रहे हैं, dude. Then you have okay, this is very, very, very just straight up. Frank Costello, the guy from Departed. Frank Costello is called the Prime Minister of the Underworld. Okay, then Philip Chicken Man Testa.
Because he was scared.
नहीं, उसको चिकन अच्छा लगता था.
So
वो KFC पे काम करता है.
Chicken Man Testa was
बुज़दिल था.
Chicken Man Testa was briefly the boss of the Philadelphia family between the Bruno and Scarfo eras. On March 15th, 1981, Testa was blown up by a nail bomb that was planted under his porch. He was blown to bits, and there were various pieces of him that landed all over the neighborhood. His reign was short-lived, and eventually so basically they called him Scarfo because he was employed in the poultry business for years.
Oh, मैं बोलने वाला था. But हाँ.
Okay, there is
Teja.
Angelo Quack Ruggiero.
ये फट्टू होगा.
He had a funny laugh.
No, he used to walk like a duck.
नहीं,
He used to make fun of people before killing them like a duck.
No,
because उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था, so it was like water off a duck's back.
No. It's Angelo
Wow.
could not stop talking for any significant amount of time. He was just a fucking jabberer.
Quack. Oh.
So they called him. Okay,
These are fairly on the nose. Huh? I was expecting some poetic.
Okay, and I'm going to go to number 1 on
वो
the
चूते
list.
एडवर्टाइजिंग में काम करता है ना, माफिया में नहीं.
Wow, this is such a long nickname, dude. Like, this is not a nickname. This is a fucking sentence. Abe, the canary who could sing but couldn't fly, Reles.
He
Canary who
probably
couldn't
like
sing.
he used to like singing. He was pretty good. Like, but he probably died in an airplane accident.
No.
He couldn't walk.
No. So it was because Reles was implicated in a murder in 1940 and made the very surprising decision to make a deal and become a government witness, a canary.
So he
as it
sang
was
like a
called.
canary.
Yes.
Oh.
Reles seemed to enjoy testifying and seeing the reactions to his old partners as he buried them on the stand.
Those are the first reaction videos.
Well, what are these? It's pretty cool, dude. Like, we should have a nickname generator, no? Let me see.
Mafia
There must
nickname
be.
generator. I'm sure there is.
I'm sure hoega, correct.
Yeah, but also there's one thing, like when Viggo Mortensen was shooting for Eastern Promises, so he actually had all the tattoos, the fake tattoos on him, and so the tattoos don't go away. So this guy walked into a restaurant, a Russian restaurant, while still having some of the fake tattoos on his hand, like very visible. So the
Public
restaurant
sector.
fell silent.
Yeah.
People went silent when this guy walked in, and he got the best service ever at that restaurant.
अपन भी बना के जाते हैं किधर शिव सागर में खाने के लिए.
यार उसको पता नहीं चलेगा.
नहीं,
50
पर
तोले का सोने का चेन पहन के जाएगा तू.
no, the problem is कि पब्लिक तेरे पास आएगा और तेरे को कोकेन देगा और बोलेगा चल ये बेच दे. फिर तू बोलेगा नहीं मेरे को बस वड़ा पाव खाने का था.
लेकिन मैं उसको बोलना चूते मेरा टैटू देख, मैं बॉस हूँ.
और फिर पुलिस आएगा पूछेगा तू 8 बजे के बाद यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है.
What would be your nickname if you were in the mafia? What would you choose?
वरुण पैसे ठाकुर. स्ट्रेट ना पैसे में हफ्ता महीना.
Bawa
Supari.
Rothschild, Neville Rothschild Shah.
No, I think mine would be clumsy or something like that.
Yeah, that's the nickname you want to go with when you're a part of the
dwarf.
mafia.
One of the dwarfs from Snow White.
No,
that's
it would
the
be
name you wanna go with.
it would probably be because like I would be like shit. Like I could be the driver, the escape driver after a.
Oh, dude, I know what mine would be. Kautuk Red Card Srivastav. He shows you the red card
Red card.
before you get killed.
No,
And he's like,
so
buy my
there
book,
will
please.
Probably be Kautuk.
He makes you order it on
Khagra.
Amazon and then kills you.
Kautuk Khagra Srivastava. sounds
Khagra
more
Srivastava.
believable.
Other mock meat.
More-
Mock meat Malay.
I'll mock your meat before you eat it.
बट ऐसे अपने इधर भी ऐसी सब थे ना, मेरे को निकनेम्स मस्त
Yeah,
थे
yeah,
वास्तव
yeah.
के, विट्ठल कानिया.
अरे there was no.
Chintu
There was-
Hatela.
And they always have like, अरे बाबू वडाला.
Dude, fuck
It's
that.
name
Real-
followed by place
It
where
ends with a
there.
la.
what is Chota Shakil? Chota Shakil is an actual name
Yeah.
for a guy. So it's genuinely that. Yeah, Chota Shakil, Lambu. Then there was what? Yeda.
Lambu
Yeda.
Atta.
Lambu, no, there was also some Yeda, no? Some.
I would
Yeda
just like
Anna,
to say,
but that is Sunil Shetty.
Tiger Shroff has done a lot to rehabilitate the name Tiger as a first name.
Yeah, from Memon. Dude, there was so I was looking up these Indian gangsters, right? Do you guys remember Manya Surve?
Yeah, as
Oh,
played
yeah.
by John Abraham.
Correct. And Manya Surve looks better than John Abraham. Dude. He looks
Have you
like a
noticed
gym-
John Abraham in
gym
every
trainer.
movie, especially like Dhoom, ऐसे कैसे होता है? I don't give a damn. ये देखा? Have you?
Yeah.
I don't give a damn.
Don't give a damn.
Look, it's acting.
But Sanjay Gupta's depiction of gangsters in Bollywood is very, very different from.
Galgamba Darula.
Dude, they
उसमें
are
कुछ अलग ही सीपिया टोन में जा रहे हैं, सब रेबैन पहन रहे हैं.
सब रेबैन पहन रहे हैं और सब लोग lyricists हैं. Like they can't speak a sentence without rhyming it with another sentence.
हाँ, सबको अपना खुद का इंट्रोडक्शन देने का है. आके किसी पीस टू कैमरा 2 मिनट के लिए जरा राइम के. गुंडा did it best, obviously, but
Yeah.
No, also, like I don't think I can ever imagine any mafia character without some kind of like cigarette, cigar, pipe, something. Like it's always like tobacco and gangster equal to perfect match. I think they've done more for the sales of cigarettes, dude,
and Ray-Bans.
Yeah.
and Ray-Bans.
तू नोटिस
वो
किया
तो अपने वाले।
दाऊद इब्राहिम जब भी तो देखेगा क्या दिखाई देते तेरे को, वो उसके एविएटर्स,
हाँ.
एक ही वो
And
फोटो
phone.
और वो इतना
And phone.
बड़ा, एक इतना बड़ा फोन शारजा में बैठ के एक ही फोटो को चलाते जाते इतने टाइम के बाद.
You know, as Dawood, he should just get some more stills and send it anonymously. And just like use these.
Guys.
Just
From my
upload some on
promises.
Instagram.
Yeah.
Oh God.
उसका
Reels is
मैनेजर
not something.
उसका मैनेजर
Yeah.
से उसको गाली पड़ रहा है, तू ब्रो क्या सेम फोटो यूज कर रहा है, ये नया फोटो शूट किया है, उसका फोटो यूज करना है क्या?
चूतिए मैं गैंगस्टर हूँ, ठीक है, मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर नहीं हूँ. नॉट गोइंग टू शो 18 ways in which you can take सुपारी.
लेकिन फिर उसका मैनेजर बोलेगा हाँ लेकिन लोकेशन टैग मत करना प्लीज.
Okay. So, here's one of the other things, right? So this is the article called top10s.net. And it's got 10 horrifying
Your
facts about
sources are just outstanding, huh, Koth?
yeah. I click on any link, literally.
The mafia going out of their way to keep everything secret. Kautuk. As per mafiafunfacts.com.
So, one of the
Top
big
10 mafia hideouts. और तो पूरे चूतिए अपना एड्रेस बाहर कैसे गए किसके पास?
Vadala mein.
Oh.
So they are organized crime provides law enforcement. Okay, very ironic, but they are basically a protection racket, right? Organized crime almost always has its start as a protection racket. So this is something I was telling Baba earlier. There's a book I was reading called The Inevitable. Okay, so which is about like the future of technology and stuff like that. And in this book, he writes that when people imagine dystopian futures, okay, they always imagine like some kind of Mad Max type, completely wasteland with a small gang of people running the operation, right? But he says that that's not true because a gang is basically just a fake government. Okay, the real thugs, like if you really wanted to extract money from people, you would form a government. That's what you would do. So all of these guys, of these guys literally they start off as like a pseudo like protection thing, right? Where you go like when no one else will protect you, the mafia will.
Yeah, it used to be called protection money, no?
Yeah, it's a protection racket.
Hafta. What is hafta? Hafta वही हो गया ना?
Yeah. So and this is actually the job of governments to do. So wherever there's a failure of system, that's when you see these guys crop up.
So now you have to pay GST and hafta.
So,
But
Al
GST is
Capone,
legalized taxation. Huh?
legalized. No.
That's why I
By
said
the way,
taxation.
Al Capone's nickname was actually Scarface. But tell
Yeah, it
me
was. That's
why.
why the
Yes,
movie.
that's why the movie Scarface.
No,
Because
but
he
like
was
why?
once flirting with a girl, and the girl's brother slashed his face, और उसको निशान आया.
Yeah.
Because
said
he
nice
called the
ass.
girl. Nice ass.
Nice
Correct,
ass.
correct,
He
correct,
said
correct.
nice ass, and the brother beat the crap out of him.
देखो पता है Al Capone पकड़ा कैसे गया finally? One of the most dreaded gangsters in Chicago. What was his eventual undoing?
In the movie.
Taxes.
Taxes.
Did I
Death
not
taxes.
say hello to my little friend?
I know.
Taxes.
No, there's also
उसने
counter
IRS के
reason.
नजर में आया क्योंकि बहुत साल से उसने टैक्सेस नहीं भरे थे, इसलिए रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली उसको ये करके 11 साल डाला, which has been the longest sentence for that sort of financial fraud.
Dude, can you imagine?
But there's so much. No, I think was it John Dillinger? John Dillinger was watching a movie, dude.
नहीं, but उसको तो मूवी के बाहर मारा.
Huh.
John Dillinger was but he was also what? He was a bank robber.
Yeah, he wasn't a gangster.
He wasn't a
I mean, he
gangster.
did more-
But
But he was the reason the FBI was found.
dude, can you imagine being the CA to Al Capone, where you have to call up call this guy on the phone and remind him कि भाई साहब आपने 4 साल हो गया, अभी टैक्स तो भर लो प्लीज, नहीं तो फिर पकड़े जाओगे. And
I
he's
can
like,
imagine.
क्या
It will
बोला?
be like, and the call would be more like, sir, ये $1 million क्यों है? Illegal activity. अच्छा ये दूसरा $2 million. अच्छा वो भी illegal activity है सर. अच्छा. Sorry.
I
अच्छा
want
ठीक है, फिर उसको
Aditya.
एक्सपेंस में दिखा देता हूँ मैं.
I can't wait for Aditya to pick up the phone and be like, "Hey, Al, क्या कर रहा है? मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा. मेरे को explanation भेज."
तेरा GST फाइलिंग खत्म हो गया है यार, क्या करता है?
But you know, there was this one gangster called Vincent Gigante. ठीक है, New York mafia boss था वो. And there's a really cool way in which he avoided arrest. So for 30 years, okay, he would walk around his neighborhood just like mumbling stuff to himself.
What?
Make it seem like he's lost his marbles. He doesn't know anything, blah, blah, blah. This was just, and in, like, he used to pretend to be crazy, walk around in his pajamas so that he could always pretend to be insane.
Oh, so that his
Oh,
defense.
the insanity plea.
Because at one point in time, to get mafias, they were using, all the newest technology available then. So your long range mic, to anything you're speaking about, whatever, that would all get captured and recorded as evidence to be given later. तो वो तो भाई खुद से बात कर रहा है for 30 years, पजामा पहन के, तो सबको लग रहा है. So the CIA or the FBI had a nickname for him. You know what that was? It was the Odd
Marbles.
Father.
Oh, great.
The Odd
Nice.
Father.
But that's such a great defense also, na? Like you're put into court and
Yeah.
they ask you, so
और
have
तो
you
कुछ
said
भी
this
बोल रहे,
sentence?
भिंडी अच्छी है.
नहीं because
अनारकली का फोन था, आइसक्रीम खाना जरूरी है.
आइसक्रीम खाना जरूरी है. बाप.
so
हाँ,
okay,
बोल कौतुक, तेरा पॉइंट बोल.
no, there was no point. I was just saying like it's an interesting thing because like I'm assuming that they've got information on this guy where they've got like sentences he said, right? Like, kill so and so at this and this date. And then he goes, hey, मैं तो पागल हूँ, I say such things in life generally.
Yeah.
And they're like, okay, cool. So I found another article about the businesses, the 10 businesses supposedly controlled by the mafia. Okay, so can you guess a couple of them?
दारू.
Betting,
दारू,
horse racing.
दारू नहीं, horse racing
betting.
वगैरह. दारू is
Betting
there.
होगा ना.
Betting तो होगा ही.
हाँ, gambling is there. Yes, gambling is there.
Gambling, extortion is still
Film
there.
production.
Yes,
Films. Oh,
ये अपना इधर कितना हुआ था?
film and music recording. Yes,
वो तो हाँ.
Betting, football betting,
the gambling हो गया.
prostitution.
Yes.
Drugs. Do they still dabble in drugs?
No, so I'm saying
But drugs तो cartel हो गया.
think white
Real
business, like
estate.
think stuff that you can.
Real
Yes.
estate.
Real estate. Oh yeah.
Yes. Okay, some of
Parliament.
okay, so some of the stuff that is a little offbeat is garbage hauling, waste management, and this helps because you also have to dispose of bodies.
Bodies.
अबे अपने सेक्रेट गेम में तो था.
Oh,
गणेश
yeah.
गायतोंडे भी वही कर रहा था.
Then gambling,
जेल के अंदर.
कसाई.
carpentry and construction. They're into. They're into. This is the best one. This is so weird. They're into wind energy.
Because they're also waiting to protect the planet.
मतलब बोलते हैं, देखो भाई अगर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बहुत हो रही है आजकल, ठीक है, अगर अर्थ नहीं रहा तो हमारा बिजनेस ही नहीं रहेगा तो
Okay, no, but there's a very good reason there in it. Now it makes sense. So this is by the way called the eco mafia. And what they do is the reason they're into this is because there's a lack of regulation in the industry, a high price for the product, and complicated financing, and most importantly, government subsidies. So wind power sells for a higher price in Italy than anywhere else in the world. So basically, wherever there is, and they want to take.
So in Holland.
No, and they want to take advantage of environmental grants offered by the Italian government.
Nicely
so that's why
done.
they're into wind energy. Then real estate, restaurants and pizzerias, because of course.
Where else will they eat and do their meetings?
Bars, pornography, music recording, film recording, and fish. They're into the fish scene.
That's where the whole.
Speaking of, please watch Seaspiracy.
You get dead fish in on your table.
Dead fish you get, but please watch this killer documentary on Netflix because Seaspiracy, and you'll realize that Yakuza be involved as well.
Hey, Varun, why didn't you post about Seaspiracy on your Instagram feed?
Because the next day I was going to eat pomfret. So it would be a little wrong. क्योंकि मेरे को नहीं पता कि मेरा pomfret sustainable fishing से आया था कि मौसी गई थी अंदर पानी में लेके आने के लिए.
Okay, guys. This is from a very official source, wikipedia.org. And this is a glossary of mafia-related words. Okay, so I'm going to just read some of them out. I want you to guess what they are. Okay, so some of the more obvious ones, let's get them.
Little friend.
Little friend is...
Rat, snitch, Ghoda,
Snitch.
Ola.
Okay, so okay, I want to ask this question. Chalo, what are cement shoes?
They would dip the person in cement and wait for it to dry and then throw the person off into a body of water.
Yes, it's a method of murder or body disposal.
Yeah, they would.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, then this was made famous by the Godfather, consigliere.
The guy who, no, the family elder, the person who you take advice from.
Yes, the Chanakya.
Yeah.
Chanakya.
The Bauji.
Bauji.
Okay, so what is a Goomba?
Goomba?
It's musical instrument used only by Godfather.
It's Zumba, except you're not dancing to music, you're dancing to gunshots.
Boomba.
I lost 13 kilos.
What is Goomba?
Goomba is an associate, especially a senior member of the criminal gang.
So same thing as counselor.
As Bauji.
Yeah. Then what is a one-way ride?
Oh,
One-way ride.
I think
गाड़ी पे चल रहा है
मार देंगे.
Yes.
It's the encounter.
Yes.
Encounter.
To take someone one-way ride or taking someone for a ride, which is underworld for an execution method.
Yeah.
Then what is RICO? RICO is, you're not going to get it.
Hey, wait 1 second. It's a financial thing.
Yeah.
So if you take one person, you can also indict other people who are connected with the same. It's the flow of money.
It's basically an act. It's a legal act under which you can. It's a legal act.
Bro, Dark Knight में वो scene है ना where Maggie Gyllenhaal is talking to अपना Two-Face and she's like, I know something, we can do RICO. If you catch one person, you can also catch, and then they take the entire mafia conglomerate और उन लोगों को जेल में डालते हैं.
RICO क्या RIPO होता है?
RICO.
RIPO is reposition. That's RIPO.
That's
RIPO
what the
man.
mafia does.
So RICO is Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, which was passed in 1970 to aid the American government in clamping down on organized crime activities. Its scope has since been broadened to prosecute insider traders also. Then we all know what a shakedown is, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Blackmail.
So, it's blackmail. Then what is the Shylock business?
Oh, this is easy.
Loan
Loan Shark.
Yes,
But
it's
like
the loan shark business.
They actually have a Shakespeare reference here.
Lone
Is it
Shark.
from
Yeah.
Shylock and Merchant of Venice reference?
It's MOV also because a lot of it is it's Sicilian, Italian, Jewish gangster, etc. That's the circle, right? So if you come from there, that's
Then what is a bag man?
a
मारने
The
bag
के
guy
बाद
man.
जो
who
लेके
takes the
आना है,
dead body,
The
who
guy
वो
who
जो
handles
लेके
the dead
अभी वो
body, the guy who
मारने के
handles the
बाद
dead
वो बैग
body.
लेके आता है ना गाड़ी के
No,
अंदर
no,
डालता
the
है वो।
Hafta collector, the collector of Hafta.
No, not collector. He's the distributor. Okay, collector also. So a
The guy who
bagman
comes.
is a
Oh,
person is a person or paymaster designated to collect or distribute illicitly gained money.
हाँ मांडवली बादशाह
Mandavli
Mandavli
Badshah.
Paresh
Bacha
Rawal.
is like a coordinator, na? Yeah.
Mandavli Bacha is a setup. He's
Hmm.
मतलब सेम बीच का रे मिडिल
no, he's not a broker.
Okay, so
Anyway.
Not a broker.
my favorite one is this one. Eat alone. What is to eat alone?
जेल में
Nice.
No,
Good-
wait,
good
1
guess,
minute,
though.
1 minute.
Good guess.
Don't have a family. The guy doesn't have a family.
Nahi.
He's
Also
just
good
for
guess.
the-
Makes sense.
Is it like the guy who the top performer of the gang, like the guy who
No.
star performer of the gang, the guy who
Good- good.
brings in like employee of the month, basically. The
All
guy-
good guesses. They're all good guesses. But eat alone is to be greedy. So when one family wants to eat alone,
Oh.
they're like, we're not sharing,
They don't want
bitch.
to share the table.
Yeah. So and forget about it.
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
about it.
Okay.
Nobody
So-
did it better than Scorsese, bro. मतलब
Yeah.
हर एक पिक्चर्स गुडफेलस मीन स्ट्रीट डिपार्टेड सिर्फ मैं आयरिशमैन सिर्फ एज अ लल्लाबाई देखता हूँ मेरे को कभी नींद नहीं आया ना तो मैं आयरिशमैन लगाता हूँ मैंने 130 बार देखा है और अभी तक सिर्फ 40 मिनट हुए पिक्चर
but allowed है यार, एक allowed है.
अलाउड मतलब तू हाँ मतलब उसने इसलिए उसने अपना लीस्ट फेवरेट नेटफ्लिक्स के लिए बनाया
No,
Yeah.
it's
not a
not
pitch.
that. I think
It's not a pitch.
I think it's a cinematic indulgence, yeah, for him. It's okay, yeah.
Hmm.
It's allowed.
ठीक है
yeah.
मेरे को
यहाँ
नींद
पे
के लिए तो कुछ अच्छा है एक तो कैमोमिल
Zack
टी और
Snyder,
दूसरा
Zack Snyder 4 घंटे के लिए भी बना रहा है ना पिक्चर.
लेकिन मजा आया मेरे को इधर इधर इन लोग
मजा है.
सब आयरिशमैन में
That is also because of the special effects, right? To make them younger, like Joe Pesci and Robert De
ठीक है.
Niro को young करना was like a lot of the like making somebody young and like the lip movement and all is extremely difficult for the special effects artists.
No,
So a lot
great.
of that
So
like
you-
becomes like
which is great for the special effects people but मैं बोर हो गया and I'm
By the
not
way,
ashamed to admit it.
Football fanatics. I don't know if this has come up on 442, but Pablo
Colombian mafia.
Escobar.
गोली मार दिया
Pablo Escobar and El Mexicano once made a $2 million bet on a soccer game. And guess what? It
हार
was
गया.
a soccer game where they picked their players and flew their players to a private stadium. And they all played a game in front of them with no audience. It was a game. It was like, हाँ तू रोनाल्डो को ला तू मजा रोनाल्डो मेसी मेरे दिन. Just picking their dream squad literally and flying
Wow.
them to play a football game for them.
but there's always that connection between like celebrities sportsmen this and that because Frank Sinatra used to be liaison between the Kennedy government before he got elected and I think either the Gambino or the Colombo one of the families ठीक है तो मांडवली बादशाह बन रहा था फ्रैंक सिनाट्रा
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah.
लेकिन जैसे कैनेडी इलेक्ट हो गया उसने बोला फक ऑफ नहीं कर रहा मैं तो माफिया पब्लिक भड़क गई तो उन्होंने क्या किया 8 दिन उसको बैठ के गाना गवाया तू गाना गा चेहरा गुलाब नहीं वापस गा
वापस.
सोच फ्रैंक सिनाट्रा Rain
Also,
drops
I like-
falling on my head वापस rain
Plus-
drops
Plus, I'm
Wapas.
also extremely happy that you have used a song that has had to be sung many times in the movie also.
Yeah, of course. Chehra gulabi, nazare sharabi.
Also
You've seen
because
that
I
movie?
just because I also want to point out that raindrops are falling on my head is not Sinatra, but that's second.
नहीं
Original OG is not. OG is not. I'm sure he's
गाया है
got a
ना,
version.
मेन क्या है,
I'm
फ्रैंक
sure
सिनाट्रा ने गाया है ना.
I'm sure he's probably someone, but I don't think that he.
What
He
a
might have
crazy-
sung it in those 8 days. I don't
नया
know.
गाना.
Because at some point you've run out of song. 8 दिन तक क्या गाएगा? चेहरा गुलाबी, आंखें शराबी.
Sinatra singing
Dude,
Chehra Gulabi is
अपन
great.
को लेके जाते तो 1 घंटे में खत्म मटेरियल.
गांडू बाबा, रेन ड्रॉप्स, oh it's Dean Martin, but then I think made later by Frank Sinatra, क्योंकि हर जगह तो Frank Sinatra ही है.
नहीं, OG version is somebody else.
People don't know this is Dean Martin though. So actually,
No,
this is
now
like
it's
Robert
not.
De
Now
Niro.
it's-
Robert De Niro has sex
And
with
it's
Dean
like,
Martin.
no, it's like Robert De Niro had fucking sex with Brando. It's not even Dean Martin, but okay.
Why can't you open your eyes?
Break in my heart. Dean Martin never opened his fucking nose. It's like
Okay. I want to talk about. Let's go to Russian mafia now. Okay. Russia
अभी
का
तक
scene.
नहीं पता था.
Vladimir Putin.
Or
Alright.
as we like call it, government.
German.
Okay. So now
Russia.
there's an interesting thing with the origin of the Russian mafia, which sort of also like it makes you understand like this overall like a grand design of mafias, which is that mafias are created when there is like prohibition, so to enable illicit activity. Second is
Poverty.
poverty and oppression. So when you take when you have a section of society that has nothing to lose, they will gravitate towards violence.
The Robin Hood figure. Also
Yeah,
the
they
Robin
will-
Hood figure. Because
Correct.
Dayavan Baba. That is
So-
that only, no?
So what happened was that the Russian mafia was sort of like they got their start under Stalin's gulags. So the under the brutal dictatorship of Joseph Stalin, there was
40s.
Siberian labor camps called the gulags. In this harsh atmosphere of prison life, groups of tough prisoners began to form together. Using an old Russian thieves' code from centuries past, they called themselves, I'm going to completely fuck this up, but it's called Vore Vi Zakon, or Thieves in Law. To communicate their stories and toughness, they adorned themselves in tattoos. One Zakon could immediately size up another Zakon without saying a word that could be overheard by the guards because of the tattoos. The Zakon's legendary toughness and brutality carried over to new members as the decades passed. When Gorbachev granted amnesty to political prisoners in the 80s, the gulags were closed down and the Zakons were released onto the world. And they consolidated power and money with the fall of the Soviet Union and expanded their operations overseas to lucrative America. And that's when enter the Russian mafia.
And disappear
Oh.
Adar Malik.
क्या crazy origin story है.
Right? And it makes complete sense. So like the kinder the world you create, as you have of all of these fucking people.
Look, ISIS, right? Although it's not a
power vacuum.
but
Correct.
it's a
Yeah.
vacuum of power. You can anyway galvanize people to come join you, even if you're doing wrong, under the pretext of being the savior.
Correct.
फिर बन जाता है.
Oh, so there, I found a contradiction to what we said earlier. Apparently, it is still a protection racket, but the theory of the origin of the word mafia, and it's apparently in the 9th century when Sicily was ruled by the Arabs. The term mafia is an Arabic slang term referring to safety. So mafia is
But
probably
फिर mafioso was also
Maf-
bravado, and then you just combine all together. You make a third word. Even in the 12th century, when the French were in Italy, they also had their own word, which was similar sounding to depict what the mafia technically does. तो सबका मिला के और
Maf-
अपने इधर भाई लोग.
Bhai, Don.
Okay, you want to talk about some of the
भाई लोग,
Yeah.
come on.
Okay.
अपने इधर like Daud Ibrahim,
Yes.
Daud Ibrahim Kaskar, son of a policeman.
Yeah.
His father was a policeman.
Yeah.
And I remember
there's a
that
lot.
much.
There's
So-
a lot of them in India, but yeah.
So there's a
By the
this
way,
is-
there is still like real estate, like there is property in Juhu. Like I kept asking my father, like, why is this prime property and nobody's buying it? And my father was like, this is embroiled in some, and nobody will touch it. No builder in their right mind. will
You're
try to
talking
take
about
over
the
that
Centaur
property.
Hotel, na?
Centaur Hotel नहीं, Centaur Hotel वो तो कोई family dispute चल रहा है. There's another property that comes towards Juhu, near that garage wala road. Just before that, there's this hotel. and that hotel has been empty for years. Apparently, it was a thriving hotel, but the moment this whole
Which hotel
gangster
is
thing
this?
broke out, I can't
Row
name
House?
some.
अरे Centaur only, bro.
सेंटोर नहीं यार, ये आगे वाला है,
अबे
काला
सेंटोर
काला रंग का
ट्यूलिप
है,
स्टार बन
black-
गया, ट्यूलिप स्टार के बाद वो कुछ और बन गया, अभी
Black
क्वार्टर्स है उधर
granite
शायद, supposedly
Bro,
haunted also.
the problem is in India, in like Goa and stuff like that. Now it's become Israeli, Nigerian, and Russian mafia.
And Russian mafia. और अपना गोवन माफिया भी अपना
Go-
Sailaru,
taxi mafia.
Sailare,
Sailor रे,
क्या बोले
क्या
तू
बोला?
बोले
बोलो रे।
अबे वो लोग तो कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स था dude, compared to
नहीं,
my-
शरद
I
कपूर
doubt
और
they
शाहरुख
went to
कॉलेज स्टूडेंट.
I doubt they went to college. This is
They
not
passed
कुछ
by
तो
one
होता है।
on the bike.
they passed by Bits Pilani as they were going.
So okay, so Dawood Ibrahim is currently, by the way, he ranks at number 3 in the world's most deadly criminal list. I don't know what
By
this is.
Forbes. By Forbes.
What?
Folks,
Yeah,
Number
deadly
3.
under 30.
He's 60.
बहुत steady at
Forbes
30.
60 under 60 gangsters.
Yeah.
In fact, the guy on whom this is based, Departed में Frank Costello's character is based on this gangster's surname is Bugler or something.
So there is an actual Frank Costello also. The guy
Yeah,
was
but-
talking about the prime.
हाँ, but I think the Departed wala character is based on this guy called Frank Bugler or some shit. He, when the movie released, watched it in the theater.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
तू सोच ना, तू गैंगस्टर है तेरे पूरे जिंदगी का, उधर जैक निकल्सन is playing you.
Hey, have you heard that story of Jack Nicholson? The story where Matt Damon is telling the story of Jack Nicholson and how good an actor he is based on this one scene in Departed. Okay, so he says that Jack Nicholson is the kind of guy who will flesh out his character. Okay, and Matt Damon says that the reason he's such a good actor is also because he's such a good writer. That this guy can add stuff to his character without adding to the filmmaker's stress, without having to roll extra and shit like that. He's telling the story where in Departed, there's one scene where Frank kills a guy. Okay, he executes a guy with a bullet. So Jack Nicholson said, you know what? Change this guy to a woman. Okay, it makes him slightly more deadly. And then he says, and if you keep the camera rolling, then as the body falls, I'm going to say, wow, she fell funny, which means that I've done this too many times before. And if you keep the camera rolling, I'll say that should have had sex with her before. But if you keep the camera rolling, I could say, maybe I'll have sex with her now. And
Hard.
Wow.
and it's just that, right? It's just like 4 lines that he's added and just one tweak. And it just changes the whole character. That's what a fucking great actor looks like.
Fucking wow, that was too good.
So, and if
She
you
felt
keep
funny.
the camera rolling.
She fell for it.
Okay.
Also, but your Jack Nicholson's not Jack Nicholson, huh? Just so you
Not
know.
at all. That's what's beautiful about his Jack Nicholson impression.
Like if you played it out to somebody, who am I talking about? They'll be like Tiger Shroff or something. Like it's not Jack Nicholson.
It's Dilip Vengsarkar.
It's really not. Like
Can
it's
you
so
do
far from Jack Nicholson.
Okay, so the reason I bring up Dilip Vengsarkar is because I don't know if we've said this. I think we've said this in a podcast before, but this is a Dawood fact as narrated by Dilip Vengsarkar. Okay.
Hmm.
So he says recently an Indian cricketer, Dilip Vengsarkar, revealed that once Dawood had personally approached the Indian team in their dressing room and asked them to beat the Pakistani cricket team so badly. And if they did that, then he'd happily buy every single Indian team member a luxury car.
अरे एक ऐसे ये स्टोरी थी कपिल देव की भी कि उसको किसने आके बोला तो उसने बोला चल निकल मेरे रूम से, ऐसा कुछ. तो ये वाला
No,
भी
but there's a lot of these stories. Like if you read autobiographies of cricketers, and if you just sort of reco it together, you will sort of understand a couple of these things which sort of work.
Okay, so then let's come to our next guy on the list of desinema.com.
Dude, there's Chota Rajan, there's Haji Mastan.
We're
Dude,
coming
there's
to
that.
them. We're coming
There's
to
what was that guy?
Arun Gawli.
That big book somebody wrote. No, what was that big book?
Dude, Chota Rajan
From
exists.
Dongri to Dubai.
No.
Shantaram.
Shantaram.
Yeah.
But
Okay,
he
wait,
was in a
before-
gangster. वो सिर्फ ऐसे काम टाइम पास कर रहा था.
Charles
Yeah, yeah,
Sobraj,
he was
bro.
the-
Charles
Gregory.
No,
Sobraj.
no. Charles Sobraj is
Sobraj.
not a.
He's a serial killer, bro.
वो अलग
Oh,
है.
serial killer. Sorry.
Okay.
Hmm.
Abu Salem is the next guy on
Ah.
the list, and he's wanted. I love how they phrase this. It's so stupid. They've written wanted for murdering, extorting, and other nasty crimes like conning people.
Like conning.
Oh.
Of all his flaws.
So he allegedly was the guy who supplied weapons to Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt. He is known to have extorted money from actors, invested in film production. Also,
He
had
was,
contested-
dude, he was dating a Bollywood actress. Was it Mamta Kulkarni or was it that Monica Bedi?
Monica something.
Monica Bedi.
Ha. So he apparently his
Was it
men
Monica Bedi or Mamta Kulkarni?
I doubt.
Monica Bedi.
have Monica.
Take le.
Monica.
Mamta Kulkarni was with a guy called, wait for it, Vicky Malhotra.
Oh
If I'm not mistaken.
No, but Mamta
Who
Kulkarni
was
is
the
also
drug
married
dealer?
to some. I think Mamta Kulkarni is also married to the drug dealer only. I think.
Vicky Malhotra his name is.
Sure, what?
हाँ देख ले मार switch.
हाँ,
So
ठीक है, चल,
he
कौतुक बोल.
Abu Salem apparently his men have killed film actress Manisha Koirala's personal assistant,
Oh,
and
shit.
also allegedly murdered Gulshan Kumar, founder of T Series music label. Among his other targets were names like Amir Khan, Ashutosh Gawarikar. I'm assuming this was during Lagan because those two names, Rakesh Roshan, etc.
Yeah, Rakesh Roshan because you remember Rakesh Roshan was shot
He
right
got
after
shot,
Corona पे आ
Yeah,
रहे.
yeah, yeah.
They came out and gave an interview also saying that we were called by
So-
XYZ gangster extortion money के लिए we refused to give. That's why he was shot.
Yeah, no, I saw an interview of Rakesh Roshan about the incident. He was like, the guy who shot me, it was a kid, and the guy's hands were shaking while he was about to shoot me. So clearly, like when you go down the hierarchy, the actual guy who pulls the trigger is just some kid who's
Yeah,
desperate for some money to
money.
save his family or some shit.
Okay,
so,
so-
like, and he's like, also, by the way, it's Vicky Goswami, not
Goswami,
Vicky
even I
Malhotra.
checked. My bad.
Okay, so then you have Tiger Memon.
Yeah.
This is crazy. He got his nickname Tiger after leading the police into a car chase at a speed of over 100 kilometers an hour, zooming across one-way roads. Of course, they couldn't catch him. तो इसका नाम चीता क्यों नहीं था? Is the fucking question. क्योंकि
No, he
Because
says,
अपने
no.
पब्लिक जो उसको निकनेम दे रहे हैं उन लोग को नहीं मालूम कि चीता
technicalities
फास्टर है.
of big cats.
But also he
No,
was
so
running.
he
He was driving.
No,
he
no,
was
no.
not running.
No,
Yeah.
apparently he's like he famously said this is one of his quotes. I am Tiger and you dare not remove the gold. When customs officers seized 8 bars of gold from him and then he banged his head into one of the custom officers' face, breaking his nose and escaped.
Wow.
From the airport?
Yeah.
Apparently.
ये क्या ये कौन सा एयरपोर्ट है?
His
Oh, by
house
the way,
was
what did
raided
I
by
tell you?
customs officers.
By the way, I told you Vicky Malhotra is also a drug dealer who is Chota Rajan's aide. That is most likely to take over after Chota Rajan.
So, Chota Rajan is wearing a tuxedo and talking on a phone. That's his most famous photo. He was a former lieutenant of Dawood Ibrahim and he's fled the country. Dawood and Chota Rajan are also arch rivals. In 2002, film Company had a character called Chandu, loosely based on Chota.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
there is also a guy called Bada Rajan.
Dude,
Bada Rajan.
Satya and Company, two gangster films that are just outstanding. Like
That are at par with any other gangster film in the world.
Yeah,
मतलब बाहर का
Company-
पब्लिक भी ये पिक्चर देके बोलेगा कि it's next level.
Company
Superb.
and Satya. Oh my god. dude.
Love it.
Out fucking.
आज से
fantastic.
तू और तेरी कंपनी खलास.
And the decision of taking Mohanlal and not dubbing him.
Yeah.
Oof,
लोहम गरम है.
garam hai. No, it's not just that. There was also that. There was also.
Yo, hum garam
Uh,
hain.
मैं
और मैं भी
पुलिस
चंदू
ऑफिसर.
और तेरा company.
और मैं भी
तू और
चंदू
तेरा
नहीं हूँ.
company.
मैं
मैं
भी
भी
चंदू
चंदू
नहीं
नहीं
हूँ मलिक
आके
साहब.
पता
Okay.
तू.
Guys, are you ready to see the photo of Ravi Pujari?
Oh God. We shouldn't be doing this. I don't want to fat shame, but
No,
it
it's
is,
not that. He's in a pool with his little,
yeah,
little glasses on top, his swimming glasses, and he's got
He looks like he slipped and fell in the pool as opposed to voluntarily went in.
You
know
know,
what's
या
weird
ऊपर
is
नीचे
like
देखा और
they
कौन
talk
है
about-
और तो
Yeah.
desinama.com पे जो तू देख रहा है is it a porn website for gangsters?
No, man.
Desinima.
Gangster porn?
Actually, it's actually Desinima. Desinima.
Anima.
Even they anima.
Desinima. That's how you would pronounce it.
Why are you getting an
Desinima.
anima?
So
I don't know. That's the name they've chosen.
Ravi Pujari, he is known mostly for threatening Bollywood stars like Karan Johar, Akshay Kumar, Salman Khan, Rakesh Roshan,
And
and
most
latest victim,
recently,
Shah Rukh Khan. He has been lately in the news for trying to get in touch with Shah Rukh on issues regarding overseas rights of the film Happy New Year.
Of all the
That's-
movies,
that's
why
quite
does he
a-
want rights of Happy New Year?
no,
It's
and
quite an
after
old
the failure of
article.
Zero,
No, but that's what.
He's-
Like, if there is one sign that Shah Rukh's career is not going well, it's that Ravi Pujari is calling you up for overseas.
बे रवि पुजारी इधर था बोरिवली में वो बाहर नहीं इधर है किधर मर गया है शायद आई डोंट नो बट ही यूज्ड टू बी इन बोरिवली
But Kautuk, please pull up the next man. Varadarajan Mudale.
Mudaliar.
Yeah,
Mudaliar.
I like his photo is quite interesting.
What is it? Is it Vardarajan Muliar?
Yeah, Vardarajan.
Vardarajan
What the
Muliar.
fuck did you
Mudaliar.
say to what was his name, Adar, according to you? Why did you add 14 more syllables?
Varadarajan. If you were to read, that's what it is.
Okay, so his claim to fame is that despite being a criminal,
he has a long name
No, Mudaliar fed the poor and celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi with Bollywood celebrities. He was, in the old days, Mudaliar was a powerful and feared gangster of Mumbai. He began his career as a porter, then joined hands with Haji Mastan and began stealing dock cargoes. Following this venture, he plunged into a full-on gangster career, taking suparis, encroaching land.
like how it's a part of vocabulary supari
Interestingly, he was revered like a god within the Tamil communities of Matunga and Dharavi.
but that's even the case. You look at Medellin and Pablo Escobar, uska bhi same. Even कौन सा Manya Surve who Vivek Oberoi played in Shootout at Lokhandwala, uska bhi सबका यही scene है ना, that Robin Hood.
Yeah, the most Robin Hood of them all was Karim Lala. So Karim Lala is the original Don of Mumbai. This is the guy who founded the country's most notorious and powerful criminal organization called the Indian Mafia. Lala was born in Afghanistan, and despite being a gangster, he was kind to the poor and needy. He was mostly involved in crime, extortion, running liquor, gambling dens, and smuggling of jewelry.
Can I tell you? Do you all know?
Noble
Did you read,
things.
guys, have you all read Zairi's book?
No.
No.
Yeah. You've read it. Do you know the etymology of supari? Like the of how you kill. So
Why supari not associated with death?
with murder
Like,
or difficult
Murder.
supari dene wala hota hai.
Contract killer.
Yeah.
Contract killer.
So Bhim, he was the chief of the Mahimi tribe, and sort of whenever he had a difficult task, he would call a meeting at Mahim Fort, where he used to feed everyone and all of that. And after the feast, there would be a plate containing supari, and it would be left in the middle of the gathering. And the man who basically it was pan, and only one of it had supari in it, right? And whoever picked up that had to do it.
So it's like Russian roulette, but you don't die, you kill.
Yeah.
Russian roulette भी वही है ना, तू एक बुलेट रख और तू करते जा रहा है पास.
Yeah.
There was a crazy movie called 13 Zemeti, याद है तेरे को movie? The entire movie is about.
There was also a movie called Luck.
Yeah.
Azma Luck. उसमें तेरे मन में सबसे भारी लक क्या है एंड में कि कोई इमरान खान को गोली मारता है. इमरान खान नेफ्यू इमरान खान, ठीक है, लेकिन वो मरता नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि दुनिया के थोड़े लोग हैं जिनका हार्ट होता है
Right side पे.
आजमा लक आजमा. ये जो राइटर जो फूक के लिखा है ना मेरे को मिलना है उससे.
वो चाहिए.
क्या आइडिया होगा सर? ये मस्त आइडिया मेरे पास. हार्ट का पोजीशन ही चेंज कर लेते.
Okay, so then you have a guy called Sharad Shetty. Okay, this is the guy who efficiently handled Daud's cricket betting racket. So Shetty was murdered by Chota Rajan's hitmen, and they were apparently paid 1 crore to do this job. Later, his murderers were nabbed and executed in UAE. But he used to handle the cricketing betting wing. He was the CEO of cricket betting.
Then I just found this one guy who used to be a part of the Bangalore underworld. 60s through 80s. You want to guess his name? His name is Oil Kumar.
Oil Kumar.
OIL. Oil Kumar. He headed the Bangalore underworld in the 80s.
And massage parlors.
पेट्रोल होता तो उसका रेट हायर होता आज.
Oil Kumar. अच्छा तो in just before wrapping, I think we can't talk about gangsters and not talk about a mafia, not talk about the favorite gangster / mafia movies. तो
Yes.
बताइए.
सत्या कंपनी तो हो ही गया गाइस. वो तो
Yeah,
hands-
Satya company. Vastav also. Vastav was a big deal.
Vastav was a big deal. I would also say
Godfather.
Godfather, Godfather, Nayagan, Dayavan. Then what else? In the New Lot,
Nah, Mean
Gangs of
Streets,
Wasseypur.
good fellas.
Goodfellas, Mean Streets.
Goodfellas.
There's way too many, dude. There's what else would you this is not necessarily strictly gangster, but like there's some really good Western movies also, like 310 to Yuma and all, fucking great films, dude.
No, but not mafia.
How's that
Not
gangster mafia,
I know,
bro?
that's what I'm saying. It's not.
Well, Western.
I'm just trying to-
American
Is a-
gangster you could probably put in.
American
Yeah,
American
Gangster.
Gangster is pretty good.
There's also a TV show called The Gomorrah.
What is
It
it?
was
What
also
is the thing?
again crime syndicate in Italy.
Dude, 1 second.
They call it the
Sopranos.
Gomorrah. Of course. Fuck.
The Sopranos. Oh, I
Sopranos.
thought somebody
Maybe.
mentioned it already. Yeah.
The
दोस्तों,
Sopranos.
Gangs of Wasseypur.
Gangs of
बोला ना?
but guys,
course.
अगर
Black Friday.
अगर
मिर्जापुर।
सुप्रानोस अगर सुप्रानोस नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज हॉटस्टार
मर
पे
जाओ।
जाओ और देखो क्या शो है ब्रो.
Because it's it's not just all about अरे mafia gangster ये वो.
it's family drama.
It's family
dude.
drama.
Yeah, it's all family drama.
It's a gangster who is his, what do you call it, the most vulnerable self, sitting and talking to a therapist.
Correct.
I think it's one of the
Okay.
most high, it's one of the highest rated
Has to
shows
be.
ever, like start
Has
to
to be.
end. Like it never dipped in quality and like it ended on a very high. Also, another book recommendations on gangsters. I liked Maximum City. It has certain chapters that are quite
Maximum
insightful
Cities, yeah.
about like,
डोंगरी
Bombay,
टू
Bombay.
दुबई. उसका एक सीक्वल भी आया था ना, डोंगरी टू दुबई का.
वो हुसैन जैदी के सारे बुक्स वहां पे.
उसका एक और सीक्वल आया था ना, डोंगरी टू दुबई था एक. There was one more. I stumbled upon it the other day. मैं नाम भूल गया. That's also superb.
There's a guy called there's another book I'd like to recommend. So there was a very famous crime journalist called J. Day, and he had written a book called Khalas, an A to Z guide to the underworld. So you can check this out. It's a very good book.
सही है. Sound is good, guys. On that note, that's the end of this episode of the Internet Said So. We were discussing mafias. If you're a mafia, no
Sorry,
mafias.
did we discuss Mario Puzo's books?
Yeah,
no.
all the
मतलब
puzzles.
all the Godfathers.
We
yeah.
had talked about it.
Yeah. So, well, if you are a mafia, no mafias, let us know in the comments. Also, one quick announcement, guys. I am going to be doing some live streams at the start of the IPL, largely covering a lot of the Mumbai Indians games. So, all you cricket fans, make sure you tune in for that. I will let you know the information as soon as it's all put in place.
Yep.
That's it. Bye, look.
And-
Can't
and-
wait to
and-
watch.
yes.
Can't wait to watch Varun operate OBS, dude. This is going to be so great.
I'm not. I'll just sit and I will talk because that's what I do.
But
मजा आएगा.
I want
IPL.
to promote a thing. 18th April, I am working on the vaccine again. We've had lockdowns all throughout Bombay, so the show is back on Zoom. So we're going to put the link in the description, and you can come for that. Bawa will be there.
Okay,
Shayad.
yeah, we are doing a live show in spite of this, and you guys get to have a COVID test, and you can come to the
You
live
get
show.
to
That's
have a
not
COVID
a.
Yeah.
1 second. That's not. That's
You get
the
a free
biggest
COVID
deterrent.
test. If you come for the show, you get a free COVID test, and you get to be in the audience for a live taping of a show that I can't name, and I can't name what platform, whatever. But you get to see a live taping.
Yeah.
You will have to sign. an
So
NDA.
you have to really just
But
trust
we'll put the
Aadhar on
link.
this.
we'll put the link in the description. You guys can actually book.
फिर तू
book
ऐसे बोल
spaces
सकता है
and
ना
come.
अदर कि
No, we have to cut this. Kautuk.
Oh fuck!
Please,
Sorry.
Neville, sorry. You have to cut this.
Shit.
Anyway, okay, that's it from this episode, guys. Thank you so much. See you again next week.
None of your things move, Kautuk. There's something
Kautuk,
seriously
you're all
fucking-
wrong.
One
Is-
second.
which
This is the
insect's
same
egg is this?
fatafat- This is also the same fatafat that you had last week.
Yes.
No, he probably refilled the
और
dabba.
तो दूसरा देखा ना, which looks like pigeon droppings.
That is miri chana.
Miri chana. When you're too poor to buy piri, there is miri.
Guys, why
It
did
doesn't
you make-
move.
Why did you make me record this? Bye.